Hey friends, I'm Rebekah and this is Bachi and this is Body Illumination. Welcome. Today we are doing a airplane pose. We're going to take a little flight in Dekasana, and this is part of a yoga workshop series. If you're interested in more of these, I'm going to show some links below and above that you can check out. And basically it's about practicing your practice. So when you practice your practice in different ways and you try different avenues to learn about your practice, you learn more about your body, you learn more about your mind, your spirit, what challenges you, what doesn't challenge you, where your comfort zones are, and where you need to explore a little bit more. So in Dekasana, lots of times people come up against some challenges with balancing, athletic injuries or any kind of injuries from gymnastics, sports, skiing, ACL tears and meniscus tears, football, ballet, your hips, your back. Then you might have challenges when you're on your mat during your practice. That's okay. That's no big deal. Remember, yoga meets you where you are. Yoga is a great avenue to think about the longevity of your body and the functionality of your body and how you can make the most of it, and you can feel amazing all the time. But this series is about playing with the poses in different ways. You're going to need 2 blocks, a wall, and a mat, and we're going to go to the wall and play with Dekasana. It's real simple practice to add into your yoga repertoire. And if you want to play with it before, after, or during your practice, and comment below, let me know how it goes, okay? Breathe. Take your feet up against the wall. Wherever your hips land, that's where you're going to place your blocks, okay? And that's where your foot is going to go. You're going to come around here, take your blocks on the high side, and place your foot where your blocks are. Place one foot, okay? We're going to work both feet. You're going to come on up, and then step one foot slowly into the wall, okay? And you want to square off the hips and dorsiflex the foot, of course, and try to get those pinky toes pointing towards the floor and then lengthen through the standing leg. Now walk those blocks forward, straighten the standing leg, reach your arms out and take flight and breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is a great way to open up the back of your legs in your standing postures. Squaring off the hip, if you take your hand onto your sacrum, you try to find those hips nice and even, and then take your hands onto your block, drop that foot down, bend your knees. Okay, take the blocks down again, take them on the high side, and let's change legs, okay? So I have my right foot down now, and the left foot up on the wall. Square off the hips, hang out here, pull the shoulders down your back body, push into the standing leg, open up through the back of the leg, and then squeeze the musculature on the standing leg. So I want you to think about squeezing the quadricep and pulling the kneecap up with the musculature of the quads. Pull up, 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 up. Open up the sole of your foot, lift up through your inner arch. Now lift the heart. Open the collarbones, maybe reach one arm back. Maybe reach the other arm back. Now, while you're doing this, play with this. If you notice that there was some uneasiness on one side or the other, then explore that. Maybe your stance is off, or maybe there's something going on with that side of the body. Usually one side is a little bit different from the other, and maybe your hips are a little tight. You can bend your knees, take a breath. Let's do that one more time. So come back up. Step into the left foot this time. Take the right foot up the wall. Open the heart. Reach the arms back. Let's take 3 breaths. And then take your hands down. Take that leg down and change sides. Again, take your hands down, take your feet down, bend your knees. Let's come into ragdoll. Lift your hips, drop your head, shake it out, yes and no. And then gently drop to your knees and play with that. Then check out bodyillumination.com and check out our playlist and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. If you like this, make sure you let me know. Scroll all the way to the bottom if you're on a tablet or a cell phone past the suggested videos, and you'll see a little comment area. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, then you will see a little comment section. Comment, let me know if you enjoyed this, and we'll do more. Have a beautiful day.